TV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, here we are checking out that radar picture this morning. Got a couple of light sprinkles across parts of Highway 84 in South Georgia from Thomasville to Quitman. It's not a lot of rain, but it is enough to make those roads a little bit slippery. So keep that in mind this morning. I don't expect a lot of rain today. We've got some small chances for some light sprinkles. Better chances to get wetter coming our way later in the day tomorrow when that next boundary approaches. It's 54 right now in Valdosta. It's 57 in Tallahassee. We're going to have those combination skies again today. Topped out at 73 yesterday. I think we get warmer today, and I think we get warmer still tomorrow when we can get back into the 80s. Now, most of the numbers this morning are in the mid-50s. Head down towards Carabel, Apalachicola. A little warmer in the low 60s, and tomorrow morning more of us starting in the 60s as we get this warmer air coming our way with a change in wind direction. This first batch of energy, not the big one. The next one that's getting organized, now that one should help push this boundary right through our area, and this one looks like it can be a clean exit, which means not only do we bring in the chance for showers, we bring in some of the cooler and drier air back behind it, and I think that's what sticks around throughout the upcoming weekend. So Futurecast for today shows more of those combination skies, plenty of clouds at times, but also some periods where it's not so cloudy. The winds turning south bring in that warmer, more humid air, and that sets us up tomorrow for when that boundary gets here later in the day, probably closer to supper time, that we talk about that next chance for showers. And when we get into March and we talk about a cool front and warm and humid air, we can start looking for some of those stronger thunderstorms. So we'll keep our eyes on all that for you tomorrow. Make sure you check in with us throughout the day tomorrow. We'll have plenty of updates on where that boundary is and what kind of showers are coming with it. Now on the Gulf today, winds are out of the southeast and south, 8 to 16, seas 2 to 4 feet. A little bouncy for the boaters today. Low tides will get started around 7 o'clock this morning. 50s, sun and clouds down towards the coast, already in the 60s and staying there. This afternoon, let's go upper 70s. I don't think we hit 80 today. Likely not going to get enough sunshine for that. Now tomorrow, I think we get up over 80. We start in the low 60s, and tomorrow the clouds increase. So we don't need the sun tomorrow to get warmer. We're going to bring in that warmer and more humid air, but it's for one more day. Then on Friday, changes come. Much cooler afternoons and especially mornings. Those daytime highs should still get close to 70, but some of those morning lows this weekend could get down below 40.